This week I am testing the Kia Sportage. This is a lovely 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Kia Sportage there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs and they're easy to access through the boot. Now I could fit 3 Infosecure child seats in here really nice and comfortably. I have got the Attain More, the Momentum More and the Adapt More rear facing. They fit really comfortably. And we found with the Infosecure Adapt More infant capsule we could fit a 180cm driver in front. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Kia Sportage is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back that has 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a child's sippy cup fits in there too. On the back of both front seats are mat pockets that will hold and conceal an iPad, and there's hooks in the back of those seats too, which are great for hanging kids' backpacks. There are USB-C sockets in the side of both of the front seats, great for charging rear phones and devices, and there's a phone holding tray in the back of the central console box. There's also air vents in the back of the central console box, which are fantastic for keeping those rear passengers nice and cool while you're driving along. And these great headrests in the back can either be used for hanging your jacket on, or you can put iPads in them, which is great for little ones in the back being able to watch while you're driving along. Storage in the front is good too. In the central console there are 2 cup holders that you press the buttons and they rotate out. They will fit a reusable or disposable coffee cup nice and easily. In front of them is a phone charging well with USB, USB-C and 12-volt sockets there. The central console box is a good size, as is the glove box that will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a small water bottle and an iPad fits in them too. And there's little storage handle wells as well. The media system in the Kia Sportage is really lovely and easy to use and navigate. It's got some great Kia features in here like quiet mode, which brings the sound from the rear speakers to the front. It's great when your little one falls asleep in the back. You've also got voice memo in here, and within the settings you can change lots of things like the sound and great features like that. You can also control the climate through this screen as well. Now you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here, which is fantastic. When you put it into reverse, that camera image is really lovely and large and clear, and you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. The boot of the Kia Sportage opens really nice and easily with just a press button and closes that way too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Kia Sportage. Empty will hold 16 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 5 shopping bags, or a single pram and 7 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 11 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 stroller. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 8 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon cart fits with 8 shopping bags and holds up to 60 kilos of cargo inside the wagon. The Jiffle Wagon bassinet fits with 4 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon with its seat fits with 4 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon. The Kia Sportage is a really lovely little car to drive. Visibility is really good in here. Even with 3 Infosecure child seats in the back seats, I can see straight out the back windscreen, which is great. You've also got a rear view camera that you can put on just by pressing a button down in the central console at any time up on the media screen. Now the turning circle is really good in here, making parking in school and supermarket car parks really nice and easy. Now there is a bit of a lag, especially when you're going uphill. It's like it lacks some acceleration, and also there's a little bit of wind and road noise when you're on the motorway and places like that at speed. But on the whole, this is a fantastic little car to drive. So to sum up with the Kia Sportage, it does make a great 5-seater family SUV. You can fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back really nice and easily with good legroom, and that boot space is perfect for the Jiffle wagon. The drive is good and the media system in this Kia is fantastic.